Whether you're an experienced player or a beginner, a good electronic drum kit can offer versatility and practical features such as large sound libraries, built-in learning tools, and easy connectivity for recording or jamming. In today's video, we consider features, quality, and value, and bring you our list of the top 7 best electronic drum kits available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Budget Tabletop Pick. Avatar HXW PD405 Tabletop Electric Drum Set. If you're on a budget or space is an issue, the Avatar HXW PD405 Compact Tabletop Drum Set could be a good option to consider. With its 163 built-in sounds and 30 presets, you'll have access to a wide range of sounds and styles to suit many different genres. We especially like that this affordable E-kit features silicone pads with velocity sensitivity and 2 foot pedals. Plus, the LCD screen allows you to visualize every note for a better learning experience. It features both a headphone jack and a built-in speaker. It can also run on either AC power or 6 AA batteries, so you can practice your drumming skills almost anywhere. The pros are, the drum pads are responsive and feel great for the price, the design is compact and portable, and it has a built-in speaker. The cons are that it only has 4 total pads and doesn't have the same overall quality and features as some of the other options on our list. Number 6. Donner DED80 Electronic Drum Set. If you're looking for an affordable electronic drum kit, the Donner DED80 Electronic Drum Set is a solid option to consider. Although small, measuring 39.3 by 17.7 by 43.3 inches, we like that this kit is affordable and covers the basis with 4 drum heads and 3 10-inch cymbals. The pads on this kit are made of double-layer mesh and measure 7 inches, providing a good feel and response. The kit also includes 180 different sounds and 15 drum kits, giving you plenty of options to experiment with. The Donner DED80 also features helpful training functions and 30 demo songs that cover a variety of musical styles, making it a good choice for those looking to develop their drumming skills. Additionally, this kit can be linked to DAW software through its USB MIDI interface, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and more experienced drummers. The pros are that it's a fully featured drum kit, it has larger drum heads, and it includes a drum throne, headphones, and a set of sticks. The cons are that this is a small kit, and the kick pedal can be touchy. Number 5. Pyle Electronic Drum Set. The Pyle Electronic Drum Set is a versatile and feature-packed option for those in search of a straightforward electronic drum kit. With 4 velocity-sensitive pads and 3 10-inch cymbals, it has very good playability overall. The drum set includes USB and MIDI support for digital audio workstations, a built-in metronome, and a record mode for easy playback and review of your performance. The drum module has 12 drum sets and 24 sound effects, providing you with plenty of options to create and record your music. The pros are that it has a good feel and quality for the price, it's reasonably portable, and the height is adjustable. The cons are that the drum module doesn't have a large library of sounds, and it doesn't include a drum throne. Number 4. Vangoa Electric Drum Set. The Vangoa Electric Drum Set is a versatile option for both beginners and experienced players. One of the standout features of this kit is that it features a dual-zone snare drum and cymbals, allowing for a wider range of sounds and more dynamic performances. The 8-inch drum heads and 10-inch cymbals provide a realistic playing experience as well. The included drum module offers over 400 sounds and 300 demo songs, along with a recording function to capture your performance. The USB MIDI support makes it easy to connect to a computer for recording or use with music software. Overall, the Vangoa drum set is a good value option for drummers looking for a dynamic and versatile electronic kit. The pros are that it features large pads and has a mechanical kick pedal. We also like that the kick drum has a mesh head and that it includes throne, headphones, and sticks. The cons are that we wish you could adjust the volume of each sample independently. Number 3. Yamaha DTX 452K Customizable Electronic Drum Kit. We like that this electronic kit from Yamaha features 4 7.5-inch pads along with 3 10-inch cymbals mounted on a steel 4-post rack. Additionally, the snare pad is 3-zone, allowing for open or closed rim shots, and the crash cymbal is mutable. We also appreciate that the kit includes a genuine Yamaha bass drum pedal for a realistic feel. With 287 sounds, 10 drum kits, 10 songs, and 10 training functions, this kit offers a variety of options for practice and performance. The sound quality is very good overall, and it comes with free apps to rehearse and complete challenges, as well as the built-in interactive training function for structured practice. The drums can also be connected to a computer through its USB to host port. The pros are that it has a good construction and design, high-quality sounds, a 3-zone snare, and the kick drum pedal feels great. The cons are that it doesn't include throne, headphones, or sticks. Number 2. Alesis Drums Surge Mesh SE Kit. The Alesis Drums Surge Mesh SE Kit is a feature-rich kit with a foldable 4-post drum rack, a 10-inch dual-zone mesh snare, 3 8-inch dual-zone mesh toms, and a mesh kick drum. The kit also includes hi-hat, crash, and ride cymbals with choke function. The drum module has 385 drum sounds and 40 kits built in, as well as 60 play-along music tracks and a metronome. It can connect to your Mac or PC via USB and includes a premium sound pack and software to get additional free kits. One tip with this kit is that you should use the plastic side of your kick pedal beater as well as a set of nylon-tipped sticks to get the longest life out of the mesh heads. The Alesis Drums Surge Mesh SE Kit is a well-rounded electronic drum kit for players of all levels. The pros are that it's good quality, it has large heads with a 10-inch snare, a mesh kick drum with pedal, and that the pad sounds can be set individually so that you can even program the hi-hat to function as a second kick drum. The cons are that this kit doesn't include a throne or headphones. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check the description below for the newest deals on each of these drum kits, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Top pick, Roland TD07KV Electronic V Drums Kit. The Roland TD07KV makes the top of our list of the best electronic drum kits because of its very high level of quality and in-depth features. It features an 8-inch snare, 3 6.5-inch toms, a 10-inch hi-hat, and 12-inch crash and ride cymbals, all mounted on a steel drum 4-leg rack. The double-ply mesh heads feel great to play, and the 8-inch snare pad is dual-zone with independent head and rim zones, while the toms are single-zone. The 2 cymbals are dual-zone and can be muted as well. The TD07KV is also very quiet, so you can practice without disturbing your neighbors. With 50 kits and 143 samples, the TD07KV offers plenty of options to find the perfect sound. Our favorite feature is the ability to customize your own kits with your choice of samples. You can even edit each sample with EQ, reverb, and multi-effects to create the perfect kit for your taste. The TD07KV also features USB connectivity and a coach function with built-in lessons and exercises. It even has Bluetooth to play along with music and lessons, and can even be used to send MIDI data to your recording software. Overall, the TD07KV is a versatile and high-quality electronic drum kit that will satisfy drummers of all levels. The pros are that it's a high-quality, full-featured kit, it has excellent built-in sounds, and a high level of customization. The cons are that a kick pedal and drum throne are not included, so you will have to purchase them separately. Still need a little more help deciding on the best electronic drum kit for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.